Shit, you know when the plug gets his personal stash out and you're just not quite ready? Maybe on the way home you realize there is no not smelling what is in your vehicle. It's contraband, and it's loud. It smells like some sort of fuel that probably run pretty good in a YZ85 dirt bike. So yeah, you're anticipating what's getting ready to happen to you as soon as you get home. And you're still not ready for it. You say maybe this one doesn't have to be quite so fat. That seems like some pretty potent shit. No, you overdo it anyway, and you end up with a severe case of the Wawas. And you think to yourself, damn, I thought I had this game pretty well down. He got me. He got me. Or sometimes you just get humbled. What if this is it? What if this is the time? What if I never go back to normal? Damn it, I need this TikTok to last like just a few more seconds. So that way I get paid for it, you see.